Alfanar, the power of excellence. There is a power that brings our world to life, enabling a world of knowledge, growth, and ideas. We are an established presence throughout the Middle East and beyond, with many major international companies as our clients. A family of over 20,000 employees, including 2,000 highly trained engineers, we work together as one dedicated team. Our core business is comprised of Alfanar Electric, which manufactures high-quality electrical products, and Alfanar Construction, which provides exceptional turnkey solutions. In our newly built industrial city, just outside Riyadh, lies the heart of our industrial arm, Alfanar Electric. Spread across 700,000 square meters, it houses a variety of modern factories. All our facilities are furnished with the latest state-of-the-art equipment. Here, we make top-of-the-range, low, medium, and high-voltage electrical products. From switches and sockets to transformers, all our products are made to the highest international standards, with dedication, expertise, and craftsmanship. With rigorous testing for precision, safety, and quality, we have a zero defects policy. For us, this is not just a way of thinking. It is a standard to deliver outstanding quality. To meet the demands of specific projects and locations, many of our products are designed and developed in-house.